Hey everybody, thanks for watching another video I'm about to do right now. This is something that again, I always gotta say thanks to my friends for hooking these up and again allowing me to do these videos. You're about to see it right now. It's a very popular line, probably the most popular luxury line right now happening in the world, I believe. If I'm correct, maybe someone can correct me. Please let me know. Again, in the comments. Channel E-24G exclamation point. Maybe I'll change the name, maybe I'll keep it the same, just have to do something different. So here we go. It's from Off-White, and I actually don't know what's inside of here, so figure it out. Someone said to me, it's a surprise, said, hey, you know what, have fun opening it, and let's take a look and see what's inside. I'm just as not knowing what's really in here. Okay. So this comes from with looks like a card of some sort. I thought it was a birthday card. Let's see here. What's in here? Just looks like it's maybe. Let me take a look actually. Oh, all right. That's just the receipt. That stays private. All right, so sunglasses box. It says here designed in Milan, Italy. And it has these little circles over here with symbols of a scissor, of course. It says here 2013. I don't think it was designed then. Maybe the box was. Sunglasses box. Again, it looks like it's telling you to cut holes, which is a popular thing when it comes to Virgil Abloh, who is the designer, the guy who owns Off-White. And over here it says the glasses, and just, you know, in case if anybody's wondering, whether it's me, my friends, anybody, we all are legit, we all are authentic, we don't play games, and this is just how we do. All right, so it comes in, just adjust it. It's an interesting sunglass, I guess, container. It's not your traditional box. I'm not trying to go back into this for a second, but just as I'm about to open this, I'm just trying to think about it. This is the actual box where you store it at, which is something not usual, but again, so all right, here it is. As you see here, the Off-Whites in the silver color as far as that, and here are the sunglasses. And these are as you see the arrows on the side, they're embossed. See if I can show, I can get clear. You can see that it's not, it's actually, you can see a little right there. It's raised a little bit. So you have the Off-White over there. Let me remove these over here. Inside, I'm not sure if you could see it or not, it says over here Off-White, care of the sun, like that. It says here made in Italy. And this is how they look as far as the from the point. Again, also Off-White again with the symbols on it. These look like they're etched in there. I mean, you feel it. There's a texture here, you feel. They're not exactly the biggest, Again, something different. And usually with the off-white stuff, it sells out pretty fast. Solid. So now let me see what else came with it. As we can see here. Okay, over here it says to scan to check the authenticity of your product. So you can scan it over here. Or you can check the code at this site over here. So as far as that, that's the information it gives. When it comes to that, all right, so over here it says, let me just read this, which I think is interesting, which is good because, again, as I said, there's a lot of fakes out there, and people who work hard and design these things, yes, to make a lot of money, but at the same time, you get somewhere doing work through your own eyes and your own imagination. And I'm a big person that's not in for knockoffs. It's just not my thing, not my friend's thing. Anybody who I usually work with and who give me these items, they tell me that it's authentic, and I see it and I have it checked and review it. So over here, I'm gonna just read this, what it says over here. In order to provide an innovative functionality to certify authenticity of the product and provide extraordinary after-sales client support, this product is integrated with an RFID, which is a radio frequency identification tag that contains the unique identification number of the product and provides information concerning the product's manufacturing and logistics history by using RFID readers at various points in our stock control process and in selected stores. We can read information about this product, such as the production date and the store at which it was sold. Please note that the RFID tag does not carry, store, or link to any personal data which could identify individual clients to us and does not allow us to remotely track the location of the product following purchase. In any case, upon your request, the RFID tag may be made unreadable and untraceable, although this action will impair the services described above. Sounds very interesting. Sorry about the noise in the background. Again, I'm on the road, so things are going on as I'm trying to do this video. So that's very interesting. It's good to read, and also over here, looks like over here it's just giving again the information about in multiple different languages. It's pretty much the information, I believe, of what lens it works with as far as that. That's my guess. All right, so it looks like it just informs you what it's good for and then maybe not recommended for. And then the last thing over here, let's see what this is. Just open this up. Again, guys, please comment, subscribe, pass the word on. I try to put different videos, not just sneakers, just different things. Anything that I see that I like and enjoy, I'll put it on. And this has the holes punched in it. Interesting. Okay. Yes, you know what this is already. This is the lens cleaner, the lens cloth. And again, it goes with the whole make it your own. Didn't Jim Carrey use this in that scene in that movie, The Cable Guy, when he went to that place where there was like the horses and the whole battle? It looks interesting. All right, so yeah, it's funny because this looks like on the cloth, it looks like the eyes and the mouth, but this is the cleaner, and this is again, it kind of goes along with everything as far as, let me put this away. Very nice pair of glasses, solid, as you can see, very solid. Interesting. It's different. This is why Off-White is so popular with all their items. This is just, that was just there, so let's put that away. Interesting presentation. Best glasses, I don't know, but from a presentation standpoint, being different, absolutely. You know, I don't like to grade things, but I like things that are different, that are not your usual. So I'm always a big fan of that. For anybody who, again, watches this, I appreciate everybody. Thank you so much. Again, these are off-white sunglasses, which are men's. Came in this pouch. And again, just to do kind of like a review. Here are the sunglasses. As you can see, also right, I can't know if you can see it, but right there has the actual etching of the off-white, the hand, the word off on there, which is basically this right here. And again, this is the view of the lens right here. Got the nose bridges, which I like. I like this style more than anything else as far as the nose bridges. I usually like a larger lens as far as that, more of a oversized look. I have something like that I did a review on. I didn't put it up, so this is my second sunglasses review. And again, different. Presentation's amazing. The first glasses I received, just so you know, didn't even come in an actual case. I mean, this was actually much better. The other one, like I said, didn't have any case at all. So it was very interesting. Again, thank you so much for watching. And this is the off-white sunglasses video, E-24G exclamation point. Greatly appreciate every single person who watches these videos. And you have no idea. Again, you guys put your time into it to watch a video. If you have interest, give me feedback. I'm open to everything. I just don't like to see negative things on. I'm not here to, fall for those negative comments. And again, it's something that is important to me to hopefully do videos, make a difference, and in some way put stuff that will be entertaining, where you guys can watch and would want to see a lot more. All right, greatly appreciate you guys. Again, dedicated for everybody worldwide. New York, US, Colombia, South America, Europe, Middle East, everywhere, Asia, Japan, China, everywhere, Shout out to everybody who watches my videos. I appreciate you. Pass the word on. Please subscribe. I'm very grateful. The more subscribers I get, hopefully at some point I can do some type of giveaway to show my appreciation. And again, guys, thanks for watching. And pass it on. Please pass the word on as far as watching the videos. And thank you so much. Hopefully you see you guys next time.